All right, friends, this is lesson 9 of fractions, and today we're going to do the opposite of lesson 8. So in lesson 8, we were taking fractions and putting them into percent form, and today we're going to take percents and move them into fraction forms. So one of the things you remember when we took fractions and moved them percent is that our denominator always had the number 100 in it, and that's going to be the same. So it's going to be kind of hard for me to write on such a small screen, but by the way, you're on page 45. That's where we should be. So I'm going to make this bigger so I can write a little bit better. So your bottom number is always going to be 100, okay? A percent is always out of 100, so your fraction is always going to be out of 100. And your top number, you're going to convert it from a percent to a whole number. So 37% becomes 37. It's not necessarily really hard, you just have to know how to do it. So looking at number 2 here, it says I got 25% and it wants to know what that number is in a fraction. So my bottom number is always going to be 100. I'm going to take the 25 and convert it to a whole number where it will be 25. So 25 over 100. We're going to look at number 3 here together. 8%. Again, my denominator is always going to be 100, and my top, I'm going to convert from an 8 to a whole number, so 8/100ths. So what you need to do is, finish the bottom of page 45 and ask an adult to check it. That's right, we're back to checking after every page. So ask an adult to check page 45, move on to page 46, complete, and ask an adult to check that. And then move on to page 47 and ask an adult to complete that. So you've repeated pages 45, 46, and 47. If you have questions, ask an adult and we'd be more than happy to help.